Have you ever wondered if giants once walked the earth? Or if ancient gods left their mark on our world? Looking at some of the planet's most incredible rock formations, it's easy to let your imagination run wild. These are not just stones. They are colossal sculptures shaped by millions of years of natural artistry, telling stories that blur the line between science and myth. From perfectly symmetrical columns to boulders that seem to defy gravity, these wonders challenge our understanding of what nature can create. Let's start on the coast of Northern Ireland at the Giant's Causeway. Legend says the Irish giant Finn McCool built this bridge of stone to cross the sea and fight his Scottish rival, Benandonner. When he saw how massive his opponent was, Finn fled back home. His clever wife disguised him as a baby, and when Benandonner saw the enormous baby, he got scared and ran back to Scotland, destroying the causeway behind him. What we see today are the astonishing remains, around 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, most with 6 perfect sides, stepping down into the churning sea. The scientific story is just as dramatic. About 60 million years ago, a colossal volcanic eruption spewed molten lava across the landscape. As this river of lava cooled rapidly, it contracted and cracked, forming these incredible geometric pillars. Now let's journey to Myanmar to see something that truly appears to defy the laws of physics. The Kyaiktiyo Pagoda, or Golden Rock. It's a massive granite boulder, weighing over 600 tons, precariously balanced on the edge of a cliff. The entire rock is covered in gold leaf, applied by devoted pilgrims over centuries, and a small, delicate pagoda sits right on top. Some rock formations are so perfectly formed they make you question whether nature could have acted alone. Al-Nasla appears in the Saudi desert, a massive sandstone boulder split right down the middle. A crack so perfectly straight and smooth it looks laser-cut. The two halves stand parallel on tiny natural pedestals, almost intentionally placed. The surface is covered in petroglyphs, ancient carvings. Close-ups reveal images like a horse and a human figure. These carved scenes give a window into ancient lives. The rock became a cultural canvas. Today, visitors come to marvel and to connect, a human history etched into the desert. Then we travel to Tasman Bay in New Zealand to see Split Apple Rock, known to the Maori as Toka Ngawa, a granite boulder split like a cleaved apple sitting in shallow water. Maori legend says 2 warring gods split it during a fight. They used immense strength to break it in half, leaving a monument to their power and deep cultural significance. Nature is the world's greatest sculptor, using wind, water, and ice as its tools to carve landscapes that look like they belong in a fairy tale. Let's head to Cappadocia in Turkey, a region famous for its fairy chimneys. These are tall, cone-shaped rock formations with capstones perched on top, creating a landscape that looks like it's from another planet. Millions of years ago, volcanoes covered this area in thick layers of soft volcanic ash. Over time, this ash hardened into a rock called tuff. Wind and water then began to erode the soft tuff, but the harder basalt capstones on top protected the rock directly beneath them. The result is these incredible pillars, some of which ancient people hollowed out to create homes, churches, and even entire underground cities. Now for something completely different, let's explore the Tsingy de Bamaraha National Park in Madagascar. Tsingy is a Malagasy word that means where one cannot walk barefoot, and it's the perfect description for this incredible place. It's a massive limestone plateau that has been eroded by heavy rainfall into a dense forest of razor-sharp stone needles and spires. This forest of blades is a formidable and otherworldly landscape. The limestone originally formed underwater 200 million years ago, and over eons, groundwater carved out caves and tunnels, while rainwater dissolved the surface into the sharp pinnacles we see today. These formations are irreplaceable archives of our planet's history and vital habitats for unique plants and animals, like the rare lemurs that leap between the sharp pinnacles of the Tsingy. The sheer diversity of our planet's rock formations is a powerful reminder of the incredible forces that have shaped our world over millions and even billions of years. From the slow, grinding pressure of tectonic plates to the gentle yet persistent action of a single drop of water. These natural wonders are more than just tourist attractions. They are pages from Earth's autobiography, telling epic stories of fire, ice, pressure, and time. These places are not static. They are still being shaped. The same forces continue their slow, relentless work, meaning the world we see today is just a snapshot in a very long geological story. Exploring these sites connects us to something much larger and older than ourselves. Standing before these formations, you sense the immense timescale of our planet's history. That is why it is so crucial that we protect these incredible wonders. They are vulnerable to climate change, pollution, and unsustainable tourism. By preserving these sites, we are safeguarding stories, ecosystems, and sources of inspiration for future generations. Let's continue to explore our amazing planet with respect and wonder, ensuring that its most unbelievable creations will continue to awe and inspire for millennia to come. The Earth has spent millions of years creating these masterpieces. It is our responsibility to ensure they last for millions more.